Well, welcome back. So last week was doom and gloom for Bitcoin, supposedly going down to 36,000. And this week, now everybody's saying about how Bitcoin's getting ready for a massive pump and everything like that. But we'll get that. We'll get to that here in a second. Let's do a quick recap. So Solana, I was saying how we had a cup and handle here, which is not, I mean, it's almost playing out, but it's not really. Let's see here. So draw us a trend line here. There we go. So I mean, there's our little cup and handle trend line, but there's something else that might happen though. If we do come up, we have possibly a head and shoulders right there. So I mean, yeah, possibly a head and shoulders. We got our shoulder, our head, and another shoulder if this plays out. But you know, cup and handle kind of turn into a head and shoulders. That's not a bad thing. Again, same breakout. If we broke out right here, which would be February 24th, or not, the 8th or the 9th, not February 24th. That's the year. Let's see, the 7th, 8th, or 9th. I'd put this right there. So still 116 if it breaks out. So just keep an eye on that. Alright, going back to our Bitcoin here. What's going on with it? This is my Bitcoin I got charted. Lot going on this page. So, you know, everybody's saying that possibly going down to 36,000. This Fibonacci retracement right here, orange line. But you know, we dipped down back in January, and then we came back up. You know, maybe we got a cup and handle forming up right here. So we can keep an eye on that. Or it's another head and shoulders, but it's a sloppy one. It's, you know, we're on the daily, so it's a bit of a sloppy head and shoulders on the daily. But I got something for us to look at real quick of what is going on. Let's go to this other Bitcoin chart here. Clean. Okay. Let's go to monthly. Now, prehistorically, Bitcoin February has been a green month, except for like 2 or 3 of them in Bitcoin's history. But the problem is that we have this tall wick right here. And that usually signals either the bottom or the top. But we also have a long wick down below too. So I mean, January, from where we started and where we ended, we really weren't all that green. It's like we're losing strength. So February starts off, you know, we started off at 42.5, you know, we're only at 42.6. I mean, what if we lose strength completely and we do come down to 36,000 right there? You know, I mean, retracement basically. I mean, what's the Fibonacci retracement look like on the monthly? Probably the same thing, but let's check it out. Yeah, Right there. 36.5. So, you know, if we do go down there, I mean, I'm not too hurt by it. I mean, do you own enough Bitcoin yet? Draw some resistant lines here on the monthly. We'll start up here. Yeah, that's what I thought. There we go. Alright. So now what does it look like? If we actually do a retracement. When is this? July. What about back here? May. The halving is right around there. April and May. You know what happens after the halving? Usually, it's a bit of a dip. I wonder if that retracement everybody's calling for is back there. Maybe we just ride a couple red months down into the halving, then it shoots up. I mean, that'd be a long, oh God, that'd be painful. That would hurt. Just because, you know, the rest of the market come down. But, you know, I look at the rest of the market. Take XRP, for example. XRP is bottoming out at 50 cents. Like, that is its low. It is not going any lower. I know you guys are watching the market. 50 cents is as low as it goes. I mean, 49 maybe. Here and there. But, I mean, we have not closed a daily below 50 cents in a bit of a while. So, you know, what if that's its bottom? You know? And if that's its bottom, maybe that's Bitcoin's bottom. And if we were to look at let's say ADA. Yeah, ADA's bottom, it bottomed out at 46 cents, and we came up, we hit this resistance. You know, now we're coming back down. And unless we somehow break through, and I think the only way we're going to be breaking through is if Bitcoin carries it through. Carries the market. You know, Bitcoin will break through, and then everybody will pull profits out of Bitcoin, put them in altcoins, and, you know, maybe that Bitcoin going up, all the altcoins will go up with it. Maybe it'll break it right out of this line of resistance for 80 to go all the way up to like 62 cents till it hits this resistance. It's tough, but you know what? We still have a long ways to go. I mean, the reason why I'm not worried about this is because I'm not selling in 2024. I'm selling in 2025. Right around this area, right out here. Way out here. Way out here. And, well, it's not even on the chart. There. You guys want to know what I'm selling? None of this. I gotta do the disclaimer. None of this is financial advice, like always. Alright, guys, I'm gonna give you my little secrets here. So, measure all this stuff out yourself. All-time high to previous all-time high. take the average of the four bull, the 3 bull runs. All-time high to all-time high. Bottom of the bear to all-time high. Measured all this stuff out. Showed you guys once before. That was my bottom right there. Measuring it all out. Everybody's talking about, oh, 50, 60K, new all-time highs by the end of the year. Yeah, maybe. I got new all-time highs somewhere between 66,000 and 60,000, breaking that level, November 2024 to December 2024. So yeah, the end of this year. Guess what? That's when people are taking profits. That's when, the Christmas bump or whatnot, what people talk about. But when am I out? Am I selling everything? I'm going to be looking to get out. As of right now, I'm looking to get out. September 2025 to December 2025. That is my measurements. All-time high to all-time high. Now, good question. It's a good question. What high am I going off of? Well, I'm going off of the November high. Not March. Not the first of the double top, but the second double top, because that is the true all-time high. And that's when the top of the market was supposed to be. If FTX didn't screw everything up, manipulate the market, I think we would have got there. So I think we would have got higher. A lot of people think that too. But you know what? Doom and gloom. I want to be worried about too much. We're still riding. We might jump up again. I'm buying all of 2024 in a bunch of different altcoins. You guys seen them. You guys see me scroll through them right here. This is just a little bit of what I got and what I'm invested in. A few dollars here and there. So, but that's about it, everybody. Not financial advice. Hey, let me know what you think. If you agree with me, disagree with me, let me know. Follow my channel, come back and tell me I'm wrong. Or tell me I'm right. Alright, guys. Take care.